Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video featuring Maybelline's Superstay Ink Crayon. So I already have the color on the grind, but these little lipsticks or whatever have a sharpener on the bottom. Show you guys. That comes out so you can sharpen the little thing if you need to, so you can line your lips with it, I believe, and then fill it in like a crayon. So that's pretty cool. I picked up some fall colors and we're gonna see how they look on me. If you are around my skin tone, well, for reference, my shade is Nc42 from MAC, and basically like medium to tan. Okay, where is it? Oh, stop at nothing. Here it is. Okay, so yeah, you're supposed to take the pointy part and line your lips like a liner, and then you fill it in. The next color is on the grind. This is one of the first colors I picked up and it needs to be sharpened. All right, so I guess after it gets rounded out, you shave it like this and then you get a little sharpened pencil. Live on the edge. I feel like it's like a Selena red, you know? Está bonito. Settle for more. I like that. All right, so the last color is this burgundy color, and this is called Drive the Future. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. Pick a color, pick a color. So my favorite colors is on the grind, which is the first original color that I picked up from them, and the color that I have on my lips right now. Now this color, obviously I feel like is a lot with this sweater that I have on right now, but I would wear this with like a more plain outfit. Just for me, this is too much. It's too much for me, but it's definitely giving fall. So I picked fall colors for you guys because we are in season, so you can see how they look. But this whole concept of having a lip liner and lipstick in one is pretty cool. So you don't have to carry two things, you know, you just carry one, you sharpen it, and I like that the liner isn't too thick after you sharpen it. So yeah, whoever at Maybelline thought of this, you did a good job. This is pretty cool. It's amazing. It's amazing. The finish on this, I would say, is it starts like when you're applying it, it's very smooth and satiny, and then it dries to a more matte finish. The color too that I have on my lips, guys, a lot of my foundation came off because this was the last color that I tried. So hopefully I don't look too crazy. And that's it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.